Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Hi, if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join me in this wonderful journey of English learning. Hi there. Today we're going to talk about the idiom, "It totally slipped my mind." It's a pretty common expression, but it's always good to review the meaning, okay? So let's do it together. Let's dive in. The meaning of "it totally slipped my mind" is pretty easy. It means forget something that you had to do. Very easy, diba? So it means meron ka nakalimutan, and and you can say, "It totally slipped my mind. I'm so sorry. It totally slipped my mind." Okay, so let's look at some sample sentences. First example, "Sorry, I forgot about our anniversary. It totally slipped my mind. I'm so sorry." So that means that person forgot the anniversary. Okay, so it totally slipped his mind or her mind. Okay. Second example, "I'm supposed to have a job interview today, but oh my gosh, it totally slipped my mind." Okay, so you totally forgot about it. Okay, it totally slipped my mind. It's not intentional. It just happened. Okay. Let's go to the final sentence. "I was meaning to text you, but it totally slipped my mind." Okay, so that means sorry. I just completely forgot about it. Okay, so it totally slipped my mind. All right. Now let's look at the grammar part. If you want to use the present tense, you can say slip or slips my mind, or her mind or his mind. It always slipped my mind. Okay? Now if you want to use it in the past form, you just add ed, double the P and then ed because it's a regular verb. Slipped my mind. It slipped my mind. Okay? Very easy. Now you know what it means. I invite you to practice using the expression "it totally slipped my mind" by writing your own sentence in the comment section. And I'll be sure to check it out and give you feedback. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you. Have a good day. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.